From an unexpected toothbrush to a NASA-inspired jacket, today's lineup is full of surprises. We're stepping into the outdoors with cutting-edge technology and reflecting on the incredible advancements that have shaped our journey. Welcome to Top Tech 22. Exodus K-Pax Camping Trailer. The Exodus K-Pax camping trailer is designed for off-road adventures without compromising comfort. With an impressive 50 cm ground clearance, a durable suspension system, and a carrying capacity of up to 454 kilograms, it's built for rugged terrain. Inside, you'll find a cozy double bed, a convertible living space, and 2 kitchens, one indoors and one outdoors. The trailer comfortably accommodates up to 5 people. And if the weather isn't cooperating, you can enjoy a TV marathon on the pull-out screen. With all these premium features, the Exodus K-Pax comes with a hefty price tag starting at $120,000. 3D Printed Camper. 3D printing technology now extends to camping trailers. Meet the tiny camper. Crafted from 7,500 recycled plastic bottles, this innovative trailer weighs just 400 kilograms. Despite its ultra-thin 9mm walls, its fiberglass reinforced body ensures durability on rough terrain. While compact, it features a small kitchen and comfortably fits up to 3 people. The price? A steep $113,000. Ninja Frost Vault Cooler. This high-performance cooler is designed to impress. It keeps ice frozen for up to 6 days and maintains a steady internal temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. A separate dry zone compartment ensures your food stays crisp. With a 47L capacity, enough to store 80 cans, and a rugged design for easy transport on boats or truck beds, it's available for $250. UD Power C500 Power Bank and Jump Starter. The UD Power C500 is more than just a jump starter, it's a powerful multifunctional device. With a peak current of 1,500 amps, it can handle up to 50 vehicle starts per charge. Additionally, it's a 256W power bank with both standard outlets and USB ports. It can be recharged via solar panels or a car cigarette lighter. Weighing only 2.7 kilograms, it's portable enough to carry in one hand or attach to a backpack. All these features come at a price of $169.